Hello, respectable audience. I have a question. 6 minus 4 times 6 minus 4. If you observe it, you have two portions. First portion is 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Here is no symbol, so we will put multiplication. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 will be equal to 4, which will be our answer. But this whole method is incorrect. Now, first of all, we have to solve this parenthesis according to PEMDAS rule. According to PEMDAS, first of all, we have to solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. So, parentheses have 6 minus 4, which will become equal to, and here it is no sign, so we will put multiplication sign, then 6 minus 4. Okay, now according to PEMDAS parentheses, we have solved it. Exponent is missing in this question, so now it's target to multiply. So here is multiplication. So 2 times 6 will be equal to 12 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 will be equal to 8, and 8 will be our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel.